Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a super comforting dish, braised tofu with mushrooms. Just look at that glossy sauce clinging to the tofu at the end. Rich, savory, and absolutely perfect with a bowl of rice. Alright, let's get started. Here I've got a block of firm tofu. Just cut it into nice even cubes. Next, slice some pork. I'm also chopping up some red and green bell peppers for a bit of color. For aromatics, we will need some chopped scallions and a little minced garlic. And these mushrooms, I soaked some dried shiitakes ahead of time. But if you've got fresh one from the store, that works just fine too. Now everything is ready, let's cook. Heat some oil in the wok. Sprinkle a little salt. And carefully slide in the tofu cubes. Let them sear. Don't rush this part. Once one side turns golden, flip and do the other. When both sides are beautifully golden, take them out and set aside. We will use the same oil for the pork. Toss it in and stir fry until it changes the color. Add in a tablespoon of Pixian chili bean paste. Stir fry it until the oil turns a gorgeous red. Now toss in the scallions. Let them sizzle. Then return the tofu and mushrooms to the wok. Drizzle in 2 tablespoons of cooking wine around the edge of the wok, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and about 10 grams of oyster sauce. Give it a good stir so the tofu and mushrooms soak up all that flavor. Once everything smells amazing, pour in about 200 milliliters of water. Add the bell peppers. Then season with a teaspoon of MSG and a teaspoon of sugar. Let it gently simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, just enough for everything to come together. Now sprinkle in the minced garlic and slowly drizzle in some cornstarch slurry in small batches. Stir as you go. This way the sauce gets glossy and clings perfectly to every piece. Right before finishing, add a tablespoon of sesame oil. Toss everything quickly and we are done. Look at that tofu, so tender and coated in that savory sauce. Let me taste it. Wow, the tofu is so flavorful. It soaked up the aroma of shiitake mushrooms, and it's just delicious. Wherever you make this kind of dish, remember to cook extra rice. Trust me, one bowl will not be enough. Thanks for watching. See you next time.